How to hide views on your Instagram reels. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. You can see over here that there are no views. You can see for each and individual reel over here. Even if we click on this option of reel tab, you would be able to see that there are no views shown to any person out there. Now how do we do it? For this, simply open up your settings. For that, click on the three lines at the top right hand side corner, then scroll down and select this option of creator tools and controls. After that, you would be able to find this option of view counts on profile. Simply select this particular option and then turn this particular option on, and this way you would be able to hide the views. Now if we turn it off and get back to our profile, you would be able to see that views are now available for each and every reel out there. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.